Introduction.
Simran, I have lost some of my comics. I remember that I have given 2 of my comics to you.
2? No, Reena. I have only 1/5 of the 10 comics you had.
Who is speaking the truth, Reena or Simran? What is 1/5 of 10? Is 1/5 of 10 greater than 2, lesser than 2, or equal to 2? Come, let us seek the answers of such questions in the lesson Fractions. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify the 3 types of fractions: proper, improper, and mixed fractions. Add and subtract fractions. Multiply and divide a fraction with a whole number and with another fraction. Solve the word problems based on fractions. Proper, improper, and mixed fractions. We know that fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. Fractions are of 3 types: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. In a proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 3/4, 2/5, 7/9 are the proper fractions. In an improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. 5/4, 9/7, 11/5 are few examples of improper fraction. The improper fractions can be written as a combination of whole and a proper fraction. Thus, these improper fractions can be written as 1 and 1/4, 1 and 2/7, and 2 and 1/5 respectively. Such fractions are called mixed fractions. Addition of fractions. There are 3 simple steps to add or subtract fractions. First, make the denominators same if they're not. Add or subtract the numerators and put the answer over the denominator. Simplify the fractions if needed. Let us understand it with the help of few examples. Sonia studies mathematics for 1 and 1/4 hours daily, while she studies all other subjects for 2 and 1/3 hours. How much time in total Sonia spends in studies? Total time spent by Sonia is equal to 1 and 1/4 hours plus 2 and 1/3 hours. This is equal to 5/4 plus 7/3. Since the denominator is not same, we will take LCM of it. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Therefore, 5 into 3 upon 4 into 3 plus 7 into 4 upon 3 into 4 gives 15 upon 12 plus 28 upon 12. This gives 43 upon 12. On simplifying this fraction, we get 3 and 7/12. Subtraction of fractions. Rohan ate 3/4 of a pizza and the remaining pizza was eaten by his sister Rita. How much part of the pizza did Rita eat? Who had the larger share and by how much? Look at the figure. It shows that Rita has eaten 1/4 of the pizza. Comparing 3/4 and 1/4, we find that 3/4 is greater than 1/4. Thus, Rohan has larger share of pizza than Rita. On subtracting 1/4 from 3/4, we get half. Thus, Rohan ate half of the pizza more than his sister. Multiplication of fractions. Look at the picture. All the squares have shaded part. Each shaded part is 1/4 part of a square. How much will the 6 shaded parts represent together? We can solve this by adding all the parts. This can also be solved by multiplying the numbers of shaded parts with each shaded part. Let us discuss the multiplication of fractions with the help of few examples. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Look at these hexagons and find out the total red-colored part. 2/6 of each hexagon is red-colored. Thus, in total we have 10/6 part red-colored. We can also find this by multiplying 5 with 2/6. Thus, to multiply a whole number with a proper or improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fractions, keeping the denominator same. But how will you multiply a mixed fraction by a whole number? In such cases, we first convert mixed fraction to an improper fraction and then carry out the multiplication. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Reena has 10 comics. Her friend Simran borrowed 1/5 of the comics from her. How many comics does Simran have? Friends, remember of means multiplication? Thus Simran has 1/5 of 10 comics, which means 1 upon 5 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 2. This means Simran has 2 comics. Multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Let us now learn how to find the product of two fractions like 1/4 of a half. The shaded portion in the figure represents half of the whole part. Taking out this part and dividing it into 4 equal parts, we get a figure in which each part represents 1/4 of a half. 1/4 of a half means 1 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 2. This is equal to 1/8. We multiply two fractions as product of numerators upon products of denominators. Multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Ryan practices calligraphy every day. Each day he writes 1/3 page. How many pages does he write in 2 3/4 days? The part of page written by Ryan in one day is equal to 1/3. So the part of page written by Ryan in 2 3/4 days is equal to 1/3 multiplied by 2 3/4. This is equal to 1 upon 3 multiplied by 11 upon 4, which is 11 upon 12. Thus Ryan writes 11/12 pages in 2 3/4 days. Division of whole number by a fraction. How division of a whole number by a fraction is performed? Come, let us find out. Let us take the example of 1 divided by half. We divide a whole into a number of equal parts such that each part is half of the whole. Thus we will get 2 half parts. So we can say that 1 divided by half is 2, but 1 multiplied by 2 is also 2. Thus 1 divided by half is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1 is reciprocal of 1 upon 2. Division of a fraction by a whole number. Let us practice a problem now. If a color paper of length 10 centimeters is divided into smaller strips of length 2/5 centimeter each, how many such strips do we get? The reciprocal of 2/5 is 5 upon 2. So 10 divided by 2 upon 5 is equal to 10 multiplied by 5 upon 2. This gives 50 upon 2. Simplifying the fraction, we get 25. Thus, to divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. What will be 1 3/5 divided by 7? Let us first make the mixed fraction an improper fraction. We get 8 upon 5 divided by 7. This is equal to 8 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 7, since 1 upon 7 is reciprocal of 7. This gives 8 upon 35 as the answer. Division of a fraction by another fraction. Friends, can you find half divided by 2/3 now? The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 upon 2. Thus, half divided by 2/3 is equal to half multiplied by 3 upon 2. This is equal to 3/4. Remember, the division sign changes to multiplication sign as soon as the number on right side of the right sign is replaced by its reciprocal. Here the number of the left side remains unchanged. Self-assessment. Drag the fractions from the option box and drop them into the correct blank boxes. Division of quantities, values according to ratios. Let us now use ratios to divide quantities and values. Two friends, Sia, 36 inches in height, and Pia,
48 inches in height, pluck 7 ripe mangoes from a mango tree. They decide to share the mangoes in the ratio of their heights in inches. How many mangoes will each friend get to eat? Let us first find the ratio of their heights. The ratio of their heights is 3:4. Sia and Pia will share the mangoes in the ratio 3:4. It means that out of every 7 mangoes plucked, 3 will be eaten by Sia and 4 by Pia. Sia gets 3 out of 7 mangoes. Pia gets 4 out of 7 mangoes.
Two brothers, Devjot and Premjot, buy a lottery ticket for ₹100. Devjot pays ₹60, Premjot pays ₹40. They decide to share the lottery money in the same ratio. They win a lottery of ₹1 lakh. How much should each brother get? Let us find first the ratio of their payments. Ratio of payment for lottery is 3:2. Devjot and Premjot will share the lottery money in ratio 3:2. It means that out of every 5 rupees won, 3 will go to Devjot and 2 will go to Premjot. Devjot's share in the lottery of ₹1 lakh is ₹60,000. Premjot's share is ₹40,000. Self-assessment. Match the equivalent ratios. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Fractions are of 3 types: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. In a proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. The fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. An improper fractions can be written as a combination of a whole and a part, and such fraction then called mixed fractions. In addition or subtraction of 2 fractions, the denominator is first made same, followed by addition or subtraction of numerators. The product of 2 fractions is the product of numerators divided by the product of denominators. The division of a fraction by another fraction is carried out by multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the other.